Good morning guys, today we've got here Motorola Moto S50 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then mark personalize and choose wallpaper. And now select the source from which you want to pick this brand new photo or a picture. It can be one from your own photos, some from AI photos, dynamic wallpapers or created images, whatever you prefer. Let me just allow the access to all my gallery photos, and now just select the picture that you want to use. Let me apply, for example, this one, then customize it. Okay, so you cannot do it with your finger, I guess. You need to use all those features here, which are pretty nice. Okay, so let me do it this way, tap on set, and decide if it's just for your home screen or both home and lock screens. Let me set it for both, and as you can see from now on, we've got this brand new wallpaper with rain feature on both home and lock screens. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.